Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on this channel, I have introduced to you my market maker levels, my market maker zones and ignition market maker zones. So the horizontal lines you see on the chart, I share it in my Discord a day in advance. These are the market maker levels. And how do you trade them? You treat them as support and resistance zones, resistance levels, and you can use entry models like double tops, double bottoms, break and retest to trade them. The zones, there are two zones. You can see one is the purple zone. It's the market maker zone, and it's provided at 9 a.m. Eastern time in my Discord. And the blue one is the ignition market maker zone, and it's provided at 10 a.m. Eastern time in my Discord. So how do you trade these zones? These zones are no trade chop zones, and once price leaves these zones in one direction, you know the bias for the day. Like you can trade in the same direction once price leaves one of the zones. Okay, so these zones can be far away, overlapping, or stacked um, one over the other. Okay, so we'll see examples of all of them. I shared the levels and the zones for the six markets. That's ES, NQ, GC, CL, RTY, and YM in my Discord. Um, so here, so this is NQ, ES, GC, RTY, YM, and CL, and then the future MMZs. You can see they were provided at 9 a.m. and the IMMZ is provided at 10 a.m. Right? So yeah. So based on these levels and zones, let's see how the price reacted and how you could have traded using these levels and zones. Um, so on ES, so first in the pre-market session or the overnight session, you can see this level was acting as a solid resistance, and you could have taken shots here. Um, so this was like between these two levels, lot of choppiness, and so when you are looking for an entry using these levels and zones, like you wait for like clear path for the price, right? If you're looking for long, yeah, like at least between these two you can scalp, but you wouldn't get a long trade. You could, but there can be resistance, like price was getting resistance here, right? So uh, look for a clear path for the price and enter only then. You can scalp for sure, but for long trades, make sure that there is clear path for the price. Uh, Anyways, so this zone was provided at 9 a.m. and you see the price just launched from the zone till this level and then rejected. And this zone, the blue zone, it was provided at 10 a.m. Sorry, and then price dropped. So I took a trade here today. As soon as the price closed below this orange level, I took the short trade, and yeah, it was a nice setup. Rejection from the level, and then dropping down from the zone, and then closing below this level. So yeah, I took this trade. I took a 2-to-1 trade here. So you see, price came back, rejected from this level, and came back into this zone. Lot of choppiness. So long above the zone and short below the zone. Why did I didn't short? Again, there were two levels below. I would have wanted these two levels to be cleared, and then there is a clear path for the price, right? But no, since price came to this level and rejected and came back into this zone, and as I told you, this is a chop zone. You don't trade inside this zone, you will be chopped around. Wait for the price to come out of the zone, and you see then like the price action becomes clearer. So again, price comes back to this zone and again rejects to the downside. Okay, once price is below this level, the path is clear, you can look for short entries. Okay, so similarly for uh Nasdaq, so this purple zone was provided at 9 a.m. and this one was provided at 10 a.m., right? So here, so again, price went to this level, rejected, came back to this level, and then you see it reversed, and then it came back to this zone. Sorry, came back to this zone, then reverse, came back to this zone, and then reverse, right? So yeah, I mean, all these levels and zones are pre-calculated using options market data, and they work wonderfully, right? So yeah, so I provide these levels for 6 markets, right? NQ, ES, RTY, YM, and CL, and you'll get a lot of setups during the day. You take just 1 or 2 good setups and be done for the day. Do not force trades and do not overtrade, okay? So let's see if, yes, there was a good setup on gold as well today. So this zone, you see, it was provided at 9 a.m. Price came into the zone, showed a double bottom or like a higher high was formed, and once price closes above this level, you can take a trade till the next level, or you can wait for price to close above these 2 levels and then you can long as well. So these yeah, you like this one was provided at 10, so here so these zones, they provide a good bias for the day. You long above and you short below, right? So once price has left both the zones, and it's a long setup. Let's see if you got any pre-market action as well or no here. So yeah, you see price dropped from this level, came back to retest it and dropped as well. So all these levels are pre-calculated, right? So yep. Uh, all right. So now let's see on oil. Uh, So yeah, you can see there was a clear rejection from this level. So this is previous day MMZ, previous day zone that was provided at 9 a.m. previous day, and uh, just at the open of the 6 p.m. open, the Globex open, price just tapped into this MMZ and rejected, and then there was a retest of this level, and you see the long. Um, so this zone was provided at 9 a.m. This is actually the purple zone that I share at 9 a.m. So this is just an indicator that helps me plot these zones. But yeah, this is the purple zone that's provided at 9 a.m. So I'll just fix the color quickly so it's easier for you to interpret. Yeah, and this one is provided at 10 a.m. Right? So you see a lot of choppiness here, but once price goes above this zone, um, you can take the long towards the next zone, and then price price did try to breach it but was quickly reclaimed. So inside the zone you do not trade. Once this level is cleared, you can look for short entries, but I don't see any good volume here, so I don't know if you want to trade this or no, but I would avoid it. But yeah, you see the idea is clear, right? So a lot of choppiness here. Once it leaves this zone with momentum to the upside, you know the direction for the day. Once this level is broken, you can take the long till the next level at least. All right, so let's see RTY. So yeah, this zone was provided at 9, and this one was provided at, so this one I can remove, and this one was provided at 10. So just price chopped around between this zone and this level. So if you have to go short, you go short once this level is cleared at least. Okay, but it didn't. It was quickly reclaimed, and the zone was reclaimed as well. So so here this is no trade zone for me, right? There's a level, there is a zone in between, then there is another level, right? So price could reject from either of these, we do not know. You can see there was from this zone as well, and as well as this level, there was a lot of rejection and choppiness happening, right? So you wait for clear price action and clear path for the price. So you see, once price leaves this zone as well and shows a rejection, the path is clear now, right? Till this level, there's no stopping, right? So So that's why, like, if you trade the market blindly, you will never know why the price is chopping around like this, right? So these levels and zones are the reasons behind this choppiness, or like sudden rejection you wouldn't see coming, right? So yeah, this one was on RTY, and again this one was on YM. Okay, so the price rejecting from this level, and like a lot of choppiness in this zone, lot of choppiness around this level. So yeah, I mean, like rejected from around this level, missed it by some ticks, came back and rejected, and then went into this zone and showed rejection. Yeah. So I mean, don't force trades. Like if you do not see a setup here, you get set up somewhere else, right? I share the levels and the zones for 6 markets in my Discord. Um, yeah, do join my Discord, and if you um, you want, you can subscribe to get access to these levels and zones, and you'll see for yourself. And even if you don't want to subscribe right away, you can still join the Discord. Everyone in my Discord who are subscribers are sharing their trades, their entries as well, using these levels and zones, and you'll learn a lot. Okay, I'll see you in my Discord. The link to the Discord would be in the description and the comment section of the video. Do like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my Discord. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section of the video, or you can ask me directly in my Discord. See you. Thank you.